Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video where today I am playing oh, I am playing Zombie Attack. That's what it is. Yeah, this is a great game. Definitely try it. So yeah. Die, zombies! Die! Dude, these are hard. Oh gosh. Okay, come on. I can do this. Yes. A Santa? Come on, die, zombies. Santa, die! Santa, die! I said Santa, die! Thank you. Alright, I'm gonna climb up this tree. Okay, if I can. Come on, I need this experience. Plus the money. Oh my gosh. Oh, a beast. Come on, die. Yes, dude! I totally destroyed that one. Okay, guys, I am doing so good. Ooh, super speed. Alright, come on. Stun grenade! Alright, let's go find a group. Or let's find... Oh yeah. Invincibility? Awesome. Okay. Die, you sucker. Oh my gosh. 330 experience? Dude. That's so much. Die, demon! Yes. Aw, cute slime. Oh, this is just too good. Alright, guys. Let's kill these bad boys. I want to kill a ghost. Dude, this person is getting way too much XP. It's not fair. Die, Void Slime. Well, actually, it's a tank Void Slime, so yeah. Woo! This is a lot of holding in of buttons. Stun you! Die, zombies! And guys, this is in the easy mode. Oh, an enraged fast zombie. Three. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Die, 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 die. Alright. Oh, boss incoming. I need to use this. King Slime. He shouldn't be able to reach me up here. And as you heard, I said shouldn't. Hopefully I can kill him, or all of us can kill him from where we are. He is killing way too many people. $1,000 out of 2,000, dude. Oh. Okay, he is taking a little bit of damage off of me. Okay. Get back onto my tree. Die, stupid King Slime. I'm gonna get all of those headshots. Dude, we haven't even gotten out of 1,000. Come on. Anyway, so guys, definitely check this out. This game will be in the description down below. So yeah. Fast zombie. Yes, guys, we're down to 9,000. Okay, so basically, more zombies are coming. Oh no. Yes! We won, guys! Woo! Here. M16 purchase. What? 3,000. Purchase. 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 Oh, maybe it's because I'm not on. Alright. Let's kill some zombies. Oh, there they are. Come on, tank zombie. Come on. Yeah. Ugh. Where are all the zombies? Oh yeah, there we go. Oh. Dude, enraged lava zombie? Come on, let's kill. Alright. Sadly, guys, I have run out of time for this episode. So, I hope you all have enjoyed. I definitely have. Please comment down below what you want me to play, and I will try and play it. Anyway, guys, that is all. Please like down below. Subscribe if you are new. And I will see you all later. Goodbye.